Hi, we're Ashley and Grayson, and we travel full-time with our 2 dogs and our cat. Our home on wheels is a Ford F-250 with a Cirrus 820 truck camper. If you love adventures, amazing views, and exploring new places, consider subscribing to our channel. We also show you the everyday reality of living this lifestyle. Follow along as we continue to live our life on the road and share it with you. The last time you saw us, we got our truck camper stuck in the upwards position and the jack broke. There was nothing we could do about it. We tried everything we could to get the camper back on the truck and resorted to, well, this. Then we took the jack off and left it at my parents' house, and then we fixed a few things before getting back on the road.
So yesterday you saw that we helped Haley and Jacob move some stuff out of her grandpa's house. And now we are going to breakfast with them. We were able to plug into the house last night, so we had AC, we're at 100%, we're going to breakfast, and then we're heading towards Savannah, Georgia. So, stay tuned. I'm sorry about the blurriness. It's so cold inside and humid outside, and that's kind of what happens. I've already cleaned it off twice, and it still looks like that. So, there we go.
Everything in the store is sun activated, so I wanted to see what color this nail polish was going to turn. And you just put it on here. She said twist it every 2 seconds. Oh my gosh, it's turning pink, I think.
We're going to show you some of the funniest socks that we found, but they're all kind of funny. So here's the first one that I saw that I wanted. You so happy we don't even know? That's how I roll.
I like this one, aloe there. St. Augustine was really fun. We really enjoyed walking around. I definitely would not recommend coming on a Monday since there was so much stuff closed, but we still had a good time. And now we have driven a little bit further. We're in Jacksonville, and one of the best parts about van life or travel life or whatever, just traveling with your vehicle and having a kitchen, is just coming in the back and making a sandwich or making something to eat because you have your full kitchen. So that's what we're gonna do.
So last time we stayed here in Savannah, we didn't actually stay here. We thought we did, but we didn't. We're gonna go drive by where people say it's okay to stay, but we're probably not gonna stay there. It's kind of sketchy. And now that we have the bikes hanging off the back and all that, I don't really want to be like trying to deal with any sketchiness. So probably just gonna go to the next spot, which is 20 minutes north of us. It's the South Carolina Welcome Center. Still in parking lots. Still in parking lots, but it's fine. Hopefully we get out of this parking lot regimen. But this little setup makes it so easy. With our 5th wheel, you had to have like a real spot. But we've been here, this is our 3rd time here. And I think once we stayed in Pooler, or in the Pooler area, and last time we didn't stay here.
And the reason we went into Kroger was to get some very late night dinner. We have a huge cottage cheese with some granola on top. And we just haven't had any time to go shopping. We just have been so busy since we got back on the road, and we did not stock up before leaving. So we're eating our granola, then we're gonna go drive by the park. If that's a no-go, we'll go to the Welcome Center. We'll find somewhere to stay. It'll be fine. So once you actually get like into Savannah, it's definitely not like sketchy. But it's all road parking or street parking, which is fine. But a lot of it says like do not park, so I don't really know where everyone was parking. Like you can't actually park at the park. It's like street parking along the park. So I don't know, I think we're just gonna go to the Welcome Center. This is like the most packed rest stop I've ever seen. I'm actually hoping there's a spot. Like, there are trucks parked all over the side, even just getting into the Welcome Center. So I guess we'll drive around and see if we can find anything, but it's not looking too hot. Good morning. It's a lot less busy today. These people pulled up last night at the same time we got here. Let's see what's going on over here. Yeah, wow, it's cleared out. There were so many trucks there yesterday. We are pulling into 1,000 Trails that is in South Carolina. It's just off the highway, about 30 minutes from where we stayed last night. We actually didn't even realize it was here, or we probably would have come here yesterday. But we actually got it just for a night, and we're not sure yet if we're gonna stay the night or not. And the reason why we got it is because it's just so hot outside that we cannot leave the dogs after like 9:30, 10 in the morning. It gets way too hot to leave them in the camper, and we can run the AC, but we can't run it for more than like a couple hours at a time since we run it off solar and not a generator. And we have like lots of work to get done today, and so we need one, AC for us and for the animals, so Panera is not really an option to leave them, and two, actually, I don't think there was a number 2. I think that was the reason, is the AC. We need it for both of us. So we're gonna get some work done and then decide if we're gonna head to Charlotte or not today. We're about three and a half hours, so it's not like too far. When we get to Charlotte, we're still trying to decide if we are going to get an RV park or if we're going to stay at our friend's house. They have offered to let us stay there, so we're just trying to figure out what is going to make the most sense, to get an RV park or to stay there, what makes sense for us and for the dogs. With it getting up to like 95 degrees every single day, it's just so hot that it's just kind of hard to plan any outdoor activities and figure out what's going to make the most sense. So as of right now, we're checking into the RV park, and most likely I think we'll just stay the night because there's really no rush to get over there. So yeah, we're gonna keep you updated with all of that. It's kind of nice because we're like right across from the restroom, which is always a good thing. But here's the park. There's some nice shade, which is good, but at the same time, will the Starlink work? I'm not too sure. Look at this cable. If we were any taller, we wouldn't fit, but especially this spot here. I don't think anyone could fit here. Maybe a van? Yeah, maybe a van. That's probably it. Do you see that? It's kind of hard to see. Look at me compared to the stall. I'm pretty short. I'm 5'4", so this is probably like 5'3". I think our bikes are gonna hit this because of where it comes up. Just try, go slow. Keep going. That spot was kind of a no-go because the hitch is about to hit the floor. This one we're gonna try. The only thing is it's so narrow, but I don't think the hitch will hit the floor here. This spot, it's pretty small. Oh, and we're gonna hit that tree. Gray, you're also gonna hit that branch. Sometimes even when you have a small rig, it can be really hard to park, especially in places like a neighborhood, but we'll make it work. Let's see if we can make it over this. It looks like it's not too high, but at the same time, since that angle's down, it kind of is. Let's try it. You're good. Keep coming. Hi, buddy.
Good morning. So we got to Charlotte yesterday. We hung out with our friends Skylar and Garrett and some others. And we are staying at Skylar and Garrett's apartment. They currently have 2 apartments because their old lease ends and he already had a lease at another spot and that's where they're moving. So we're staying here
just because there's not really any spots in Charlotte or near Charlotte. And the RV parks were like kind of pricey, but not really, and we're not really sure how long we're going to be here for. So I'm going to give you a quick little tour. We are actually here with their dogs as well. They are not here. Usually they have their dogs at the other apartment, but they're going to keep them with us for today. So I'm currently on the couch. They have a nice L couch. It's pretty big. And then I'll just start at the door actually. With their dog in a diaper. So this is the front door area. You got the table here. This is where we've been working. Yes, it's a little bit of a mess. They're moving, so this is their kitchen area. It's got a nice sink full of dishes. It's got a nice big fridge full of food. This is one of their pups. That's Brew. And Benny is actually in heat, so she's wearing a diaper, but they wanted to make sure she got her heat. She's right here. They wanted to make sure she got her or went into heat first before they spayed her. So you walk down this middle aisle, and it takes you to this closet. And you can either go this way to the bedroom or this way to the bathroom. So, bathroom, there's Kitty, come across, and you've got the bedroom. Nice queen bed. It's my towel. This is where you've been sleeping. Warrior, of course. There's Benny's face. There's Brew. It's actually raining outside, and he's not the biggest fan of bad weather, right, Brew? Brew. And Benny's here. Oreo, Brayden, Ashley. Simple, one bedroom, one bath, provided for us to stay in. So we're gonna work the rest of the day and help them move some stuff. So we'll take some videos of that, but I think we're gonna start moving stuff, I think tomorrow, because it's raining now. So we're gonna start boxing stuff up today, per Ashley.
Also, Grayson and I have been wanting to learn how to play pickleball forever, and Skylar and Garrett love playing pickleball. So later tonight, if it's not bad weather, we're gonna go to a pickleball court. If it's not raining though, right now it's raining, and learn how to play pickleball. So if we do, we'll bring you along. And you can watch me fail, because usually it takes me a little while to get into sports. So, we'll see. Everyone sit. Everyone sit. One for you. Oreo, sit. One for you. One for you. One for you.